All right, let's take a look and see how we can actually customize a page template in funnelKIT Go. And I'm going to pick this page to start with. So let's take a look at the different elements where we want to make some changes. This is a FSBO page, and I created this graphic here. If this is something you want to use, you can keep that and use it. That's not a problem. I created that, I own it, and I'm sharing that. This, I'm calling it a Savvy Seller program. You may have another word for a FSBO program, and you may also want to change the terms and conditions. Certainly not everybody wants to make this kind of an offer for a FSBO. You may want to put the offer out there and see how it works and use it as a foot in the door, but you can change all of these very, very easily, and that's what's easy. So let me show you right here. We'll go to the content first, and we'll take it one step at a time. So this is all built on a column. Here's the picture here, and here is the headline. All right, so we can see this. If you want to change that, you just go in and do that. This is white text, so in order to change that, what I like to do is this. I would go in and just make the text black temporarily, and then make my changes, and then, you know, turn it back to, and then go back to whatever it was initially. So you can see here, it says, sell your city home faster. My page says, sell your state college home faster. Well, my page says that because I'm viewing this on my computer while I am in state college. So if you are a real estate agent in Tucson, and you're marketing to, you know, people in Tucson, it will likely say, sell your Tucson home faster with my Savvy Seller program, right? So I'm going to return that. I'm not saving that because that's fine. I've got a vertical spacer here. I've got some more text down here. And each of these text blocks is the same. You see, each of these is the same. Now you can see the text block over here with that little graphical check mark looks like this. This is a check mark. The image width and height is 40 pixels, and that's included. You can change that if you want. If you want another kind of a check mark, you can do that. And again, if I want to make any changes on this text, what I'll do is I'll make it black, and then I will make whatever changes I want. And then, because I like the black background, I'm going to make it white again. You see, so it's invisible there, and that's how it looks. So I can go through those one at a time. I've got, you enter your name and email address. Here, you definitely want to do something here with your opt-in button. Now the opt-in edit is over here. Now the opt-in form has already been designed, so you don't have to worry so much about the design. Go into your autoresponder system and collect the HTML code. Do not use any JavaScript code, use HTML code. Now you'll see a little opt-in code over here. You'll see opt-in spaces for name and an email address. That is set up. You definitely have to go in there and change that, because right now under opt-in, I've got code there, placeholder code with a placeholder from my own autoresponder. And you definitely don't want your leads coming to me unless you want me to host them or something, and then, you know, pop me an email and we can figure that out if you like. But if you're going to be hosting this on your pages, you need your own autoresponder code in here, and this is where that goes. You get the HTML code and you insert that in here. There's some really great training about that on funnelKIT. And that's what you need to do. You do not insert the JavaScript code, you need that other code. Everything else about that opt-in on this page has already been designed. I've got the, we don't have background here. I have specified the height and width for all of this, and I put a continue button. Certainly if you want something other than a continue button, you can go to the gallery. You can select the style and the color of whatever button you like for subscribing, or you can add your own. You can add your own button as well. And so that's pretty easy. The other thing you want to do is, again, go down here and insert your own information, your own brokerage information in this little box down here. And that's very, very important for compliance reason here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make that white, that black, like I did so that we can look at it. All right, and put your brokerage information. You can change the size. You can put in a logo or whatever you want. I wouldn't make it too big, but again, for compliance reasons, you definitely want to have your information down here. So let me make that white again, and close that. And the very, very bottom of the page is footer information, where you can insert your privacy policy, your terms of service, and other information as well, if you like. All right, and that's very, very important. I've got a separate video about the footer here in the program. So that's just how easy it is to go in and make some changes.